For those people who have a service-based business and are looking for the best job management, field management, client management software for your business, I think I've got you covered here with something I just came across this week. It's called ServiceM8, and that's service, the letter M. I know these are always fun, and the number 8. And of course, I'll pop that on the screen so you can see here, get a visual of what we're talking about here. ServiceM8, why I think it is an amazing application for program for your service-based business. Okay. Go to their website, check it out, click on their tour. You can watch this overview video. All right. Gives you a really good overview of what it can do for your business. But here's what I also like. They give you so much for great prices, including a very, very, very robust free plan that's not going to be handicapped. All right. A lot of these software applications out there that are used, that are available to manage a service-based business, if you go and use one of their entry-level plans, they're usually severely limited. With ServiceM8, you get everything you need. All right. If we jump over to pricing here, free plan. All right. I'm looking at this for people, you just started a new car detailing business, maybe you're a teen and you don't have a lot of money coming in, so you can't be paying for super expensive software, right? Maybe you just started a new power washing business. You're just getting started. We don't need to be going into debt while we're trying to start our businesses. We want to keep things smart, right? And ServiceM8 has a super, super robust free plan. I can't again, recommend it enough just based on everything it gives you when you're first starting out. Obviously, they have paid plans, but even those are going to be very, very competitive what's out there. Look at this. This is $29 per month for unlimited users. You're not going to see that very often with these field management softwares. As a general rule, you're paying per user. As a general rule, you're looking at $15, $20, $30, upwards of $40 per user per month. All right. So as your business grows, this is going to get a lot more expensive if you go with another application to manage your jobs, to manage your clients in your service-based business. All right. Again, very, very impressive free plan, very competitive, if not one of the best pricing structures out there for service management software. Now, let's dive in a little bit more to what they offer. All right, check this out. Job cards. All right, these are all included, even in the free plan. All right, now this job card, again, if you watch this tour up here, and check that out, they kind of give you an overview of what this looks like. They also, if you're looking, if we look at here, they do have a mobile app. All right. This thing works on the go. All right. You're at a client's and you're doing work for them. You're doing a pressure wash for them. You're doing a car detail for them. All right. Even the free plan allows you to show them the invoice, allows them to sign it, allows you to take payments. All right. It's amazing. All right. So if we go back to pricing and we look at all these essentials that are included even in the free plan, scheduling, you schedule clients on your site. All right. Quoting, invoices, letting them know, hey, this is what I offer. This is the price. And okay, we're all done. Here's your invoice, right? Card payments. Again, you can take card payments right there from your clients when you're done working with them. Okay. Just very, very, very robust for what you get. And I can't recommend it enough. So if you have a service-based business and it's already growing and you're paying, up the yin yang, if you will, for all of the users you might have for your business, check out ServiceM8. If you're just starting out and you need something to manage your growing business, your business that you're just starting out with, and you want to have the least expensive yet most robust program out there that's going to allow you to professionally manage your business, your clients, your jobs, ServiceM8's the way to go. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're really enjoying this video, subscribe to the channel and have an awesome day.